How to make a logo on Canva. In this video, guys, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can go ahead and make your logo on Canva. So go ahead and open your Canva app. If you're using your system, you can go ahead and do the same thing, or your tablet. So when you open your Canva, I want you to use the search icon and search for logo. If you don't want to do that, you can see, guys, there are logo templates here for you to use. But let's go ahead and search for logo. So when you search for logo, guys, you're going to be seeing bunch of logos, free logos for you to edit and modernize it and make it more like yours. So if you don't want to use any of these, you can go ahead and just click on where it says create a blank one. So you can create a blank one and do it yourself. So guys, I'm going to be trying to forward this a bit. I've already skipped the whole step of doing this, but as you can see, guys, we were able to create a quick logo here for my channel. I think I'm going to be using this. So I'm going to be showing you a simple tip. So if you want a transparent background, you have to go for the pro plan. So click on share. When you click on share, click on where it says download. As you can see, guys, if you want a transparent background, you have to pay for it. As you can see, it's all both pro, but I'm going to be showing you a simple trick on how you can be doing this. So go ahead and download it. So when it's done downloading, go ahead and go to your browser, search for a website called remove pg. So when you search for remove pg, you're going to be seeing this website called remove.pg. go ahead and open it. When you open it, just go ahead and upload the image. So when you upload the image, guys, it's going to automatically remove the background for you. As you can see, guys, the background has been removed off my logo. So this is how you can create a logo on Canva. I hope this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to support the channel. See you on the next one.